In this short tutorial, I will show you how to set the camera timer on your iPhone. The camera timer is a great feature that allows you to take photos or videos without having to press the shutter button yourself. This can be especially helpful for taking group photos or capturing moments when you want to be in the picture too. To get started, open up the camera app on your iPhone and then tap on this upward arrow in the top center of the screen. It will show you these different options at the bottom. Simply tap on the timer icon over here. As you can see, right now, the timer is off. But you can set the timer to 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Just tap and select it. Now, when you tap on the shutter button, it will start the countdown and then capture the photo. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.